Hello motorbike lovers. Today we're gonna reviewing the all-new 2022 Yamaha TMAX. Check this out. Yamaha TMAX TECHMAX has been updated for 2022. The firm's flagship maxi scooter gets sportier looks and bang up-to-date tech. The front end is now more muscular with reshaped and higher headlights and what Yamaha described as super sport-inspired styling. The screen is said to be quieter than on the old model with a central air intake that's designed to improve rider airflow at speed. The new TMAX is also slimmer in the middle to make it easier to get your feet down and is finished at the rear with a T-shaped light design. The sporty looks are accompanied by a sportier riding position than ever before. Tucked behind the new screen is an all-new, full-color 7-in TFT dash replacing the old monochrome screen and analog clock combination. The new dash boasts full smartphone connectivity, all controlled through a new left-hand joystick, and can be used with Yamaha's Bluetooth headset. You can also get full map Garmin navigation including rider alerts, weather forecasts, and photo real junction views. So, the new Yamaha TMAX looks the part and is brimming with tech. But will it have the performance to back it up? The bike's 560cc twin-cylinder engine goes unchanged, but there are new, lighter, spin-forged wheels and new firmer suspension settings for improved front-end feel and agility. This, coupled with new Bridgestone Batlax SC2 tires, should mean the 2022 Yamaha TMAX should feel just as punchy as ever.